Hello and welcome to the MERTS instructional video to set up a candidate committee. After the software is launched, a window will appear with a list of options. Select Create a new committee file. Please note, this should only be selected if the committee is filing for the first time, has lost the original committee file, or is switching from paper to electronic format. To confirm you understand the terms of creating a new file, proceed by clicking once in the I have read the terms section and select I understand and wish to continue with starting a new committee file. If you have created a file, exit the screen by selecting I wish to exit and locate my previous file, and locate the file from its stored location. For quick access to the MERTS user guide, MERTS video library, or the candidate manual, please refer to the Manuals/User Guide tab or select the Video tab. To set up a new committee, enter the committee information. Begin by replacing My Committee with the name of your committee. Add the committee ID number provided by the Bureau of Elections office. Next, add the committee address and telephone information. Select OK to save and continue. Next, you will be asked to enter the candidate's name information. At any point, you may select Return to Previous to make changes to the previous screens. Enter the candidate's last name in the last/business field. Enter the candidate's first name in the first name field. Next, add the candidate's address information. To add the name of the candidate's employer, select the Add Name button to open a new name information screen. Enter the employer's name in the last/business name field. The type will default to Other Entity. Next, add the employer address information. Select OK to accept the new entry and to return to the candidate's name information. You will now see the name of the employer in the Employer section. Add the occupation and select OK to save and continue. Next, you will be asked to enter election cycle information. The year will default to the next general election year. First, select the office sought by the candidate from the drop-down list. The election cycle dates will automatically fill in based on your selection. Uncheck the box only if the candidate is running in a special or recall election. Enter General as the election cycle name. Select OK to proceed. A report information window will appear. If you need help with coverage dates, select Get Report Coverage Dates here. Enter the date from, enter the date through, and enter the election date if it applies. Next, select the report type from the Type of Report drop-down list. Enter the district number or community served if it applies to your office. Enter a dissolution date only if the committee wishes to dissolve with this report. If the committee does not wish to dissolve, please leave the field blank. Next, a window will appear giving you the option to enter transactions, add names, or return to previous. Select Add Names to enter the name of the committee's treasurer. A window will appear with instruction for adding a new name. Read the instruction and select the X to close the screen and continue. Select the New Item icon from the toolbar. A name information window will appear. Enter the treasurer's last name, enter the treasurer's first name, and enter the treasurer's address information. To add the name of the treasurer's employer, select the Add Name button to open a new name information screen. Enter the employer's name in the last/business name field. The type will default to Other Entity. Next, add the employer address information. Select OK to accept the new entry and to return to the treasurer's name information. You will now see the name of the employer in the Employer section. Add the occupation and select OK to save and continue. You have now successfully set up your committee. Next, save the file. Select the Save icon from the toolbar. The file name will default to mi_dcf.mi_dcf. Replace the default name with the name of your committee. For example, Smith-Mertz file. This file can be saved on a PC or laptop hard drive. Be sure to always back up the file for safe keeping. It is recommended that the files not be saved on a network hard drive. The committee file is now saved and ready to use. To enter transactions, select the Transaction Guide icon from the toolbar. For additional assistance or assistance using the Transaction Guide, visit www.mertzplus.com. Thank you.